So we're taking you on a cruise through our neighborhood. This is Island Green South, just to see what kind of damage went on during the storm. A lot of trees down. Looks like they did pretty good right through here. Nothing major. Trees down there. I know one thing. I'm buying a generator. There's a tree down. We were able to get a warm shower in though this morning, so that was nice. Still had some water left in there. This is our amenity center we're coming up on. We noticed this last night when we were checking on June and Jim. There's some trees down.
Right there.
Yep. Yep, trees down. That's where the pool is, where we go swimming. In the indoor pool. Fence down. Trees down in their car.
Tell you what, John.
They lost some siding.
John McCarthy.
Big tree down in their backyard.
That's a good sized tree there.
Trees down there. This is going into June's neighborhood. Which is also Island Green South. He's already getting his stuff out and ready.
Oh, he's got a tree.
Oh, he's been picking up. You should go help him. Get our trailer today. Of course, this isn't even seeing the back of the backside where the golf course is, where all the trees, see how the trees back in there? I'm wondering how that looks. Maybe later we'll get to go see it. Go this way. Tree down. Branch is down. Pretty cold today too. Isn't that weird?
64.
Is it?
Yeah.
What did it do? Bring in the cold front? Oh, sorry, all my friends up in New York. It's really warm today. It's 64. I love you. Just kidding. Morning.
Morning.
Not too bad down this road.
Yeah, that's right.
I wanted to get the picture of the tree across the house there, that great big one. I doubt they've had Your tree went down too.
Ooh, that's a big one.
This one coming up, the one we saw last night, is pretty big. Morning.
There it is right there.
I don't know if you can see it good. It's right down there. I don't care. I feel bad for these people here.
Yeah, that's a big tree right there.
It is.
That's big. That's gonna take some quite a bit to get rid of.
Tree down here. We didn't go in the back last night, did we? Oh, that tree almost went right on their house. This guy in the corner, look at that.
Yeah,
Ooh. Talk about lucky.
really close. They're gonna have to take it out though.
Oh, they're gonna, yeah.
There's a tree down.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
I'll tell you what, John McCarthy's gonna make a bundle. He does every time
Oh,
because there's so many trees.
tree on their house. Good morning. That water's up pretty high in there in the swamp. Never seen it up there like that. Bunch of trees in the woods down.
Trees went down over there. A lot of water back there too.
So I was saying, I've never seen it that high. Morning.